What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And you know the deal, if you haven't subscribed, like seriously, please join the family. Seriously, you haven't subscribed, like why? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video, slave video, fashion video, any kind of video, brand new video, so you'll be informed. Okay, so with that being said, what's up? Thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you guys a lot, like seriously. I love to do these, yeah, I love to do it, okay? You know what all this Valuem face is all about, right? So today I'm going to be coming up to you with 4 sexy, classy, you know, all those jazz, you know what I mean? Anyway guys, I'm coming up to you with this 4 simple look, and I'm really like I really love this look, so I decided to share it with you guys. Look has been on my mind for quite some time now, but I don't know when to film it, so I really find the perfect time to film it. And I'm also inspired by my accessory here, okay? And I put my hair into pony. There's nothing too much, okay? I didn't do it on camera, okay? I did it off camera because there was nothing so interesting, okay? So yeah, but the interesting part on this video, I'm using the new MAC Studio Fix concealer. Yes, this two concealer, I try it. My honest opinion, you are going to be seeing it on the video. If you want to see, you want to hear my honest opinion, just keep watching, okay? Really get where I'm coming from. If you want to purchase a concealer or not, of course it's recommendable, hands down is recommendable. You can buy it, okay? There's no harm in trying new products, okay? With that being said, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, you already know what to do. Just keep watching. As always, don't forget to do you, don't forget to glow, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will catch you in my next video. Hey take a ciao. Hey guys, so to start off, I'm going to be doing my face. Before I do my eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever mattifying primer. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, especially my T-zone, my nose, the place I get oily fastly. The reason why I love this primer, I love the smell. The smell is just something. It smells super unique, and it smells super unique. Smell also very natural. I think it's a natural product. So yeah, since we are using a dewy foundation, that is why I go for this face primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Machmaster foundation in number 8 technique sponge to apply that on my face. Apply 4 pump because my beauty blender is super damp. My Reed technique sponge is wet, so it kind of take more product away, so that is why I apply 4 pump.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down.
My foundation before I go in for highlight and contour. I'm going to be using this MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetic brush to use that to buff that to my face.
For a minute.
So guys, I'm super curious, and same time, I don't know, nervous, you can call it whatever, but anyways, I got NC42 and NC45, so I'm just going to read what the concealer claims to do. 24 hours wear, medium to full coverage, blendable coverage, natural matte finish in 24 hours. Okay, so let's see if this is going to last 24 hours. Of course, I'm not going to be ready for 24 hours, like I'm just going to see how it's going to blend on my skin. That is the most important thing, and if it's a full coverage like it claims to be. So the first shade I'm going to be using, NC45. Reason being NC45 is a bit red, and why NC42, it's a bit of natural, you know, skin tone, if that makes sense what I'm saying. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a very, very beautiful package, and which is pretty handsome. So I'm just going to apply NC45.
Begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
This is a bit too red for my liking when it comes to concealer, because it kind of reminds me of MAC Pro Longwear concealer. It's also a bit redder, is why I don't really use it often, but this one is a bit more red. It has more reddish tone on this concealer, and yeah, I don't know, and I guess definitely I'm going to be applying the NC42 straight away on top of that NC45, because I'm not liking how it looks like right now. It's too red, it's not giving me that extra highlight I want. So yeah, for my contour I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Touch NW45, okay, MAC Studio Touch. I'm just going to use this brush. It's kind of very strong product. I'm just going Dear Beauty Blender. I'm just going to use that to blend the concealer, so I hope I'm not going to be disappointed.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down.
So guys, for what I have seen so far, the concealer, not foundation, the concealer is blendable. It's a full coverage concealer, medium to full coverage. I would say for me it's a full coverage concealer. I can wear this, I can call this as a full coverage concealer. The only problem I have is it's too red. The shade I got is too red, so it's not lying on the product or whatever. Maybe I got too red shade, but I'm still going to be applying just a little bit from the NC42 on top of it, and then let's see if it's going to give me that extra highlight, or do I apply the other shade on top, which is NC42. Still I'm not liking the look, so I'm just going to apply just a bit just under my eye. So for now I'm okay. I'm okay. I can't say I'm loving it, but I'm okay. I'm satisfied. I'm not mad at all. I'm that kind of a person, when I get a new product, it's hardly for me to get used to it just immediately. So I have to take some time. Maybe I have to use it once or twice, then I have to dump it and then go back later. When I mean later, maybe months later. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be setting my face. I'm going to be using the Art Deco fixing powder.
Upside down.
To set my contour, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix in NW58. I'm just going to use this no name brush to set my contour.
And if I say it.
So to set my face, I'm still going to be using the MAC Mineralize powder in Deep Dark.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So for blush, I'm going to be taking this blush by MAC Stubborn. I'm just going to apply that on my chin. Now I'm done. I'm going to be leaving my face for now. I'm just going to go ahead and do my face. I'm going to be using this MAC Medium Prepper Plus Prime eyeshadow base, and I'm using my Lamora Kabuki brush. This brush has suffered, like, check this out. I've used this brush over and over again. I'm going to be using the same powder, the one I used to set my under eye. I'm just going to set that a bit. I'm going to be using this Valuem Professional Makeup Palettes. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's kind of reddish orange tone, if that makes sense. I'm just going to pat that all over my eye. Sorry guys, I didn't mention the name of the brush I'm using. This brush is from Mangan in 5116. Very dark burgundy shade. This shade right here. And I'm taking this no nail brush from BH Cosmetic.
Perfect 10, whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa.
So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking that red shade, that warm burgundy shade, this one right here, and I'm using this first Mangan brush just to use to blend the edges because of any arch line. For any arch line, nobody cares.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I don't want this look to be really precise and sharp. I want it to be a bit messy, kind of classic and sexy. You know what I'm trying to say, okay? This is why I'm just blending it above my crease, okay? This is MAC lip liner, but I'm going to be using it on my waterline, and the name is called Ninth Month.
Good thing we secreted. It's overrated. These
So I'm going to be taking a smaller brush. I'm going to be taking this shade, the one that I applied on my lid. I'm taking this Gesso kind of small, kind of very small, precise eyeliner brush. I'm going to dip it into the shade and then pop it to my lower lash line.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara, okay? I'm not going to be applying any wing liner. This is how I want my eye to look, okay? I'm going to be using this mascara tester I got from MAC.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Later on, I'm going to be applying the same mascara on my bottom lashes and then light my face, okay? I'm going to be using this MAC Global Glow. See what I mean? You're not going to be seeing really that much. It's just kind of very subtle and very soft, natural highlight. So maybe you guys are curious, she's not doing a brow, but don't worry, okay? There's always how I do my makeup. Every now and then I switch it off, you know, so that you guys shouldn't get boring, right? So I'm going to be using this MAC eyebrow pencil in the shade Coffee. Yes, tiny bits brow, tiny bits brow,
Such a thing. Ooh. Can we switch up all the?
That's pretty much it. And then use my spoolie to blend, to brush the excess product out. So yes, I'm going to leave my brow like this. You can say whatever you like, okay? Say whatever you like. I want the focus to be on my eye and on my lips, not on my eyebrow, okay? I'm going to be using NC42 to clean my brow, okay?
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Using this Lamora Kabuki brush, the one I used to blend in my eyeshadow base. I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm going to be using the same brush, Mangan brush. I'm just going to blend it out once again. Then take my highlighter brush. I'm going to be using the leftover on the brush. I'm just going to dab that just a bit for extra dimension. Lips. I'm going to be lining my lips using the same lip liner, the one I apply on my waterline. my lashes has a bit of glitter, like seriously, like how come? Anyways, I'm going to be using the same lip liner, the one I apply on my waterline, which is called Night Mode. This is by MAC as well. I'm just going to line my lips around, okay?
We see curated, it's overrated. These.
So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Smashbox liquid lipstick, and this one is called Always On.
The hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets engraved.